New Atlantan Weather Service has issued a severe hurricane warning for the following major cities: Trinidad, Tobago, Lumbago, and Stareport. If you are situated in one of these major cities, please prepare for a severe hurricane. Please collect essential items such as water, non-perishable foods, dog-cat food, any needed medication. Please also prepare your home residence by boarding your windows and doors. Possible incoming hurricane tornadoes, so have the shelter ready. Thank you for your understanding. Please replay for information.